Okay, this is the Paine Waterfall in Patagonia in Chile. You can hear the roar of the water, such power in it. I'm going to get a little closer. Paine Waterfall. That's our guide correcting my pronunciation. Once again, as has been the case this whole trip, fall is a great time to be here. April and May, we're here in May. We've got the fall color in the foliage. We've got the mountains in the background. This one's got some clouds covering the white caps at the top. Interesting waterfall since it's falling in actually three different directions.